Hi guys, here is my recipe for the succulent 100% chicken breast fillet burger, the Zinger burger. What we will need is about 2 to 3 chicken breasts, which we're going to cut into halves. The bigger the fillet, the better the burger. I've used 3 large chicken fillets and cut them into halves. For the marinade, in a bowl, 1 cup of sour milk, a teaspoon of fine salt, two teaspoons of curry powder or masala, half a teaspoon of chicken spice, a teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic, some pepper, a medley of mixed herbs. I've also used some fresh thyme in this. Incorporate all the ingredients together and then add your chicken fillet to this marinade and let this sit for about 30 to 40 minutes so that everything infuses nicely. For the coating, it's 1 cup of plain flour combined with half a cup of corn flour and a teaspoon of salt. Give this a nice mix. Add enough oil to a pot and let that heat up while the chicken is being coated. Make sure the chicken fillets are properly covered with the coating before popping them into the oil. The oil temperature should be medium and you can cover this and let it get nice and golden brown. Cut the buns in half. I've lightly buttered it and grill it on a pan. It's time to assemble the burger. A slice of lettuce, cheese slices, the fillet. I've made my own burger sauce. You can use mayonnaise, that's what comes in the Zinger burger. And yes, here we go. Zinger burger. KFC uses a sesame seed bun, but we've went for the plain burger. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.